Yesterday we learned about how to divide fractions using an algorithm, and we're going to continue practicing that today, and we'll just add in how to do this if we have a mixed number. So in this problem we have 4 and 5/9 being divided by 3, and so I have an extra step to deal with again because 4 and 5/9 is a mixed number. Before I do anything else, I am going to convert my mixed number into an improper fraction. It's really important that you do this before any other step. Remember, to change this back into an improper fraction, we take the whole number 4, multiply it by the denominator, 9. So 4 times 9 here gives me 36. And that's going to get added to the 5 that we originally have. So 36 then plus 5 will now give me 41. So I'll rewrite this. It becomes 41/9 divided by 3. Now remember, when we're using the algorithm, we are going to change this into a multiplication problem. And then by doing that, I need to change something else. I will remember to put this whole number over 1. Okay, so 3 is over 1. And I'm going to do that because I know if I'm dividing by 3, it's the same as multiplying by 1/3. So this now becomes 41/9 times 1/3. And then we just multiply across 41 times 1 and 9 times 3. Now we're going to run into this more often when we have a mixed number. I now need to simplify this. 41/27 is an improper fraction, and remember, to fix that we are going to divide. So 27 into 41. Okay, we want to make sure that 27 can only go in one time. So let's see, if I had 2 groups of 27, I would need 54. Okay, so I'm only able to make one group. 27 times 1. Subtracting is the next step, with 14 left over. So 1 is the whole number. I had, again, 14 left over out of 27. So this becomes my final answer here. Let's see another example. Again, this has a mixed number in it, so the first thing that I'm going to do before any other step is I'm going to convert 3 3/4 into an improper fraction. And I do that by taking the whole number 3, multiplying by the denominator 4, and then again that 12 will be added to the original numerator of 3. So I can rewrite this as 15/4 being divided by 5/8. Next, I want to use that algorithm to rewrite this as a multiplication problem. So instead of dividing by 5/8, I'm going to rewrite this as multiplying by the reciprocal 8/5. Now I just multiply across. Again, for this step, you can use a calculator to do the multiplication. I know 4 times 5 will give me 20. And then on a calculator, 15 times 8 will give me 120. And then we need to make sure that we simplify. I'm going to start by simplifying just by dividing the numerator and denominator. They both end in 0, so I know I can divide them by 10. So 120 divided by 10 would be 12. over 2 now, and 12 over 2 is equal to 6. Again, the focus today is practicing using that algorithm. I know we're still continuing to learn about dividing and simplifying that way, so I encourage you to try your best, but the focus for today's assignment, again, will be on using the algorithm.